J Mack from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch that brought you out here?
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
Y'all look how empty this cafeteria is this morning, which is not a problem. We don't have practice at 10. But look who caught me. Nobody here, but look who caught me.
Break, ain't nobody in the cafeteria, but guess what? Nearly gonna eat. You better believe that.
How I get caught? How I get caught?
Jesus is Lord, and nearly gonna eat. You better believe that, baby. Get this twisted. Coaches inside, coaches. Let's go, man. Come on now. Let's go. All coaches inside. Coaches. Coaches inside. Fellas, we've had a heck of a season. We've had a heck of a journey, but it ain't over yet. We still have one more chapter to close. And some of you guys that's connected around the circle has pro ambitions and dreams and aspirations. We just had one of our own be awarded the most prestigious award that could be awarded for a college football player. Where y'all, Trav? Come on in, Trav. He thanked you all. He gave you the appreciation and respect that you all deserve, but it could not have happened without you all. But guess what? If it happened for him, why can't it happen for you? Why can't it happen for you? 3 called me, hit me the other night. He said, I'm next. Am I right? Sir. What I responded and said? All the way up to it. The way you practice, the way you prepare, the way you study. If it happened for him, it could happen for you. We happen to have 2 guys that's probably going to be number 1 and 2 in the draft, right? Come on in, Shador. Well, if it happens for him, it can happen for you. God is not the respecter of persons. He gave you a tremendous gift, but it's up to you to manifest it, to make it into what it is. If it happened for them, it could happen for you. We ain't finished yet. Let's focus, let's lock in. We only gonna be out here in about an hour 10. right? That's it. Let's lock in. You know we shorter than when we started, right? Many of the call for field chosen. And everybody start with you ain't gonna end with you. That's in life and that's on this field. All right, everybody around here is family, man. Let's lock in, let's hold each other accountable, and let's finish strong. Break it down to these two.
Third leg on 3. 1, 2, 3. Third leg.
Move it!
Keep your shoulders straight. Come on, keep it. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Keep your pad down. Get that ball out of there, Jim. You're in the wrong place, man. You're just riding the wave. That ball out there, 38. You just riding the wave, boy. Let's go. Get your pad down, Colin. Get your pad down. Squeeze that ball. Squeeze. 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 Squeeze that ball. Squeeze.
Close fast, close fast. Gage, keep your feet going. Keep your feet going, don't stop your feet. Down low, Tyler. Down low, Tyler. Here we go, next up. Go. Come on, get out. Get out
There you go, big! There you go, big!
Let's go. Get out of there, get out of there. You gotta get that ball up, put away. You gotta get that wrist locked. Let's go. Hey, 25.
Get the big ball. Let's go. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sink your heel. Go. Go. There you go. Let's go. All right, club, face it. Shuffling through. All right. So we're going over club right here. We're going through like this right here. All right. Here we go. Ready. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Ready. Out front. Come on, get on through. Bring it back. Come on. Get out there.
You look better going sideways than you look going forward.
How's that possible?
That's boy.
Some motherfucker built this. Hey, there you go. There you go. That's it, dog. Hey, just focus on the little thing, man. Come on. Hey, 3. 1, 2, 3. Strike down. Third one, we out. Here we go. Ready? 3 points. Shit. 3 points. Strike it bam. Ready? Strike. Back down. Ready? Out of there. Ready? Come on. Here we go. Ready? 3. Come on. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Ready them heels. Come on. Ready? Ready? Good. Shit. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Ready?
That motherfucker rocking that bitch. I tell you what, boy, that damn look good right there, boy, you too. That looks damn good. Come on.
Start it over. You gotta come on with it now. Come on. Bring your heel.
Going over. Ready. Be quick. Takes too long. Be quick. Ready. He's trying to run off that bag before he hit it. Back at the top. Break it up.
You see how none of the DBs transferred, but all the receivers transferred.
Forward.
Overly. I fucked up. Overly.
Nobody's running that route, bro. You always do.
That's a great route.
Fuck you. Now you go. What the fuck you up?
I got the her.
Hey, buddy. Go.
Y'all can't cover me.
Let me go.
Yeah, I gotta go again.
Now I'm tired.
Dan the man, what you working on?
Let's get our boys our smoothies, like I always do.
What you got? I see peanut butter.
Peanut butter, of course. Peanut butter banana, it's a community favorite. And I got some strawberry bananas here.
You excited about the bowl game?
Damn right.
Head to Texas.
San Antonio, Alamo Bowl. We're gonna win it this time.
Dan, where you from?
I'm from here, Boulder.
Like, not here Colorado, here Boulder.
Yeah.
Oh
Born right
man,
here in Boulder,
you
grew
have
up in
seen some
Nevada.
shit.
I've seen some bad football in this city for
Yeah.
a long time. Been a fan since I was born. I got pictures of me as a baby rolling around on Folsom Fields. I remember on deployment waking up at 5 in the morning because that's when the game started.
Yeah.
Just to watch us get blown out 30, 40 points. And now come back, see this team just be put on the map, go from the most irrelevant team to
The most relevant.
yeah, the most
Heisman
relevant
Trophy.
team.
Johnny Unitas.
We got the Heisman Trophy winner, Travis Shador, about to ball out in the NFL. Like, it's like a dream come true, literally.
And it's all thanks to your smoothies.
Get these boys right.
That's
Hell
good
yeah.
stuff, man. Appreciate it, Dan.
Of course, of course.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
We're from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's why I
dog.
gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.